Hello students, welcome back to the Science Digital class. Yesterday we have seen health, what is disease, types of diseases and infectious diseases, their symptoms and reasons. Now today we will see the remaining part. Yesterday we have seen that diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors, that is insects and other animals, are called as infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases are which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. For example, cancer, diabetes, heart diseases, etc. So students, let's study in detail. First is cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group or lump of cancerous cells is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin and tissues like blood. In short, in any part of the body, the cancer can occur. Students, when you went for a movie in the theater, you must have been seen one video on cancer where they have shown some symptoms, reasons in that. Can you tell me some reasons shown in that video? Yes, the reasons are consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber contained in food, excessive consumption of junk food, that is pizza, burger, etc. Heredity may also be the reason. Means sometimes it happens that if the parents, where one of the parents may be suffering from the cancer, there are chances that child may suffer. Now see the symptoms of the cancer. Chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast and unexplained weight loss. These are some symptoms of the cancer. Students, there are some modern diagnostic and treatment of cancers are available like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer. In case of treatment, along with conventional methods like chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgery, modern techniques like robotic and laparoscopic surgery are also followed. Controlled diet helps to prevent some types of cancers. Physical exercise, along with modern treatment, is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoid addictions like tobacco, chewing, smoking, etc. So, this is about the cancer. Now, next disease is related to sweets. Right, you are guessing correctly. India has largest number of patients in the world of this disease. Approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in the country. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas, which controls the level of sugar, that is glucose in the blood. That means naturally the sugar level is controlled in our body by the hormone insulin. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Now see, the symptoms of the diabetes are frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. So you have to keep eye on your weight. Now reasons for diabetes are heredity. If your parents are having the diabetes, so there are chances you may suffer from this. Next is obesity, lack of physical exercise, mental stress. These are some reasons. And what are the preventive measures for the diabetes are? First one is following the proper diet. This is the most important thing. You have to maintain the diet properly. Next is medicines which are prescribed by the doctors. Next is exercise under the supervision of doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. In this, some yogasanas, pranayam and other exercises are there which can be done for the diabetes control. So this is about the diabetes. Now next is heart diseases. Efficiency of the heart diseases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscle. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Symptoms of the heart attack are if the person is having severe chest pains, pains in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness, tremors, etc. Now, what are the reasons for the heart attack? Right. The reasons are smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety. These are some reasons for the heart diseases. In general, medical treatment for heart diseases usually includes angiography, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, installation of pacemaker, installation of stents and heart transplant depending on the severity of the disease. Whereas on other hand, lifestyle changes are also suggested like low fat and low sodium diet, exercise, quitting smoking, etc. Students, always remember, if you find some person who is having heart attack, call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of patient by shaking the shoulder. Keep the patient lying on the back in horizontal position on hard surface and perform compression only life support. In this, press the center of thorax for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. You can find the video of COLS on net. You can see that. Now students, there are different treatment methods are available like Ayurveda, homeopathy, natural healing, allopathy, Unani, etc. You can collect more information about them from the internet. Now we all know that misuse of medicines are always harmful. Always it should be taken under medical practitioner. Sometimes some people take the medicines without prescription of doctor, that is very dangerous. Overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver, etc. Overdose of antibiotics lead to nausea, stomachache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. We all know that in some diseases, regular medicines are required for lifetime. But poor people do not afford the costly medicines. For this, generic medicines are manufactured. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicines. Production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research as their formula is readily available. These medicines can easily obtain using healthcare and Jan Samadhan apps. You can download those apps on your mobile phone and use it whenever necessary. Now next part is lifestyle and diseases. Students, you have seen that symptoms of heart attack, diabetes and cancer are related to your food and lifestyle. What is lifestyle? Lifestyle includes the daily routine, and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late in night, frequent changes in meal timing, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc., have been increased. Due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasanas, pranayam, and physical exercise, which helps to lower the frequency of sickness. In other hand, vaccination is also available for some diseases. Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious diseases. Students, nowadays, whole world is running behind the vaccine. They want to search a vaccine for the COVID-19, right? So, we are also hoping that we will get the vaccine as early as possible. Government of India declared Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July 2015. In this scheme, best quality medicines are made available in affordable prices to the citizens. Jan Aushadhi stores are launched for this purpose. Indian companies export the generic medicines on large scale. However, those medicines are sold under brand name with high price in India. In America, 80% of medicines used are generic. Due to this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there. So students, whenever you want medicine, first search for the generic and then go to the medical. There are certain important days which are celebrated in world for the health awareness. 7th April is celebrated as World Health Day, 14th June World Blood Donation Day, 29th September World Heart Day, and 14th November World Diabetes Day. Next is the blood donation. 1 unit blood donated by a person can fulfill the need of 3 persons at a time. For example, RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Student, if one person donates the blood, that 1 unit blood can save the life of 3 persons. Right. So, in future, when you will get above 18, please go for the blood donation. One can save the life of 12 persons by donating the blood for 4 times a year. That means a healthy person can donate the blood 4 times a year. Okay. So students, today we learn about health, what is disease, types of diseases, infectious diseases, non-infectious diseases, misuse of medicines, generic medicines, lifestyle and diseases, vaccination and blood donation. You have to read the lesson, underline the important points and also learn the hard words. So students, today we learn about some infectious diseases and etc. In this pandemic period, I request you all to take the proper sleep, get up early, do yogasana and pranayam and take healthy food. And also stay home, stay safe. Thank you.